Okay, guys, so Miss Lot here. What I'm going to do now is to help you or some of you out with the order operations, and this may help you in your math classes to remember some of the basics. So I'm going to stop here and then go to the lesson. Okay, so here you have the order operation. You have, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the P is for parentheses, the E is for exponents, and I'm going to give you a sample. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, you may see this or that, just a period. Then division, you know, division can look like that. Addition and subtraction, okay? That's the order operation. These two parentheses you would do first, exponents next, then multiplication or division, whichever one comes in the order that it comes in, you do in the order. It doesn't matter if division comes before multiplication, you would just do it straight across. Same thing with addition, subtraction. If subtraction comes first, you work the subtraction problems and then the addition problems. So here are some samples. I want you to see if you can work that out, and then we'll work it together. Figure out which one would come first. 21 minus 3 times 6. Looking at the order of operation, we have 21 minus 3, which is subtraction, or we have 3 times 6, which is multiplication. And looking at our order of operation, we see multiplication comes before subtraction. So we will solve that problem first. 3 times 6 is 18. So now we have 21 minus 18. And you would solve that. And so that answer should be 3. Okay. For number 2, I want you to try to do that. Then we'll do it together. Looking at the order of operation, 16 divided by 2, or what we do 2 times 8. Looking at the order of operation, remember we're saying that whichever one comes first, it doesn't matter. Same thing with addition, subtraction. Whichever one comes first, it doesn't matter. So because 16 divided by 2 comes first, we say that's 8, and then 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, you got that? If not, then reply at the end and just let me, at the bottom, and just let me know, and we'll do some more similar problems. Number 3, you got 2 times 4 squared, or we just have 4 squared. So how are we going to work that? How are we going to attack it? Looking at the order of operation, we see exponents. We solve that first. So we have 2 times, and what is 4 squared? We know 4 squared is not 4, doesn't mean 4 times 2. 4 squared is 4 2 times. So 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then we have 16 times 2, which is 32. Correct? Okay, now number 4, 16 minus 6 divided by 5. Looking at this, you know subtraction comes before division. I'm sorry, you know division comes before subtraction. However, we have parentheses here, and we know that parentheses comes first. So we have solved what's in parentheses first. Before we got cut off, we were saying we would do the parentheses first. I didn't realize it got cut off, so I was doing the problem, so I had to hide it. So doing the parentheses first, we have 16 minus 6 divided by 5. So 16 minus 6 would be 10 divided by 5. And the answer is 2. Okay, great job. You guys are doing so well. Then the next problem is 3 times 2 plus 6 times 6 plus 1. So we know the order operation tells us to do the parentheses first. So we're going to rewrite that problem. We're going to put 3 times 2 plus 6 times 7. You see, we got the 7 from there. Then 3 times 2 is 6, plus 6 times 7 is 42. And that answer is, you guessed it, 48. You guys are so awesome. If you need any help with anything like this or anything additional, please reply below and let Miss Lot know, and I'll try and help you as much as I can. I hope this was helpful to someone, and come back and see me. Thanks.